I already know what this video is about. Like that. Hopefully this is the right one. Let's go outside. Alright, found literally 0 good videos on this. I mean, he kind of explained it, and he talked like a fucking robot. So I'm like, huh, I make videos. My shit's fucked. I'm just gonna do it and make my own version of a better than anybody has ever made on this topic. So, more specifically, my 1997 Mazda Miata. I was driving to work yesterday. Everything was just fine. And then boom. That bitch wasn't going in gear. Fucking clutch pedal was just like paper. It was like no pressure. What does that lead me to believe? Oh, the fluid's gone. Or there's a hole or a leakage, or it's just bad. So I got more clutch fluid, aka .3, because that's what you're supposed to use in a Mazda Miata. And one of these thingamabobbers, slave cylinder. Put this bitch in. I'm going to show you step by motherfucking step how to do this. First, here. All right, you're gonna want this. Your part, right? Not sure if you need this. You probably don't need this. I'm not sure about this. It was just a bundle. It was $9. I was like, fuck it, I'll buy it. You're gonna want, and you're gonna want this, because when you change it, it's gonna drip. And your mom's gonna be mad, or your dad or your grandma, or whoever you live with, your apartment complex, are gonna be mad if you leave a stain on the ground. I don't really care, but I parked there. I don't want it to look like shit. It already does from when I did my differential. You're gonna want this too. A little wrenchy wrench. And somebody else, because you're gonna need somebody to pump the clutch and hold the camera. That is if you're filming now.
I'm not filming. I haven't been filming.
You're lying. Fat, small titty liar.
Fat, small titty liar.
We better hurry the fuck up.
Yep, it looks like it's bad rain.
Look at that. Storm coming in and shit. Yeah, fuck you.
That's what it looked like the other night when it started pouring. Also, I love the parking job.
It was my fault. Look at these roasted tires. I need to put those in the front. Neighbors are all like, no, not again, no. The other park's like, yes. It was $830 to get this thing out. $860 to get this thing out of the impound, because it was sitting here.
Well, I feel like they towed it because it was on jacks.
Shut up. It sounds crazier for the video.
Fine. It was just sitting here.
Plus, I fixed it and took it off the jacks, and they still took it. Remember what I needed? Oh. I think it's in here. See that? If you're watching this more for the fix the thing, more than just like because I make YouTube videos, so I do extra stuff, you know? If you don't like that, I'll put a little number on here. Go to that number or that time, and it'll start like that. But watch this. You jack it on the pinch weld. If you don't know what that is, just use your brain. I really hope this is the problem. I really don't want to take the transmission off. Ooh, look at that. That is low. I know I don't have power tools. Don't roast me. Like impact on my mental and my bank account. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Look at it. Get out of the way. The light's shining right on it. That rusty shit.
Oh.
Alright, so. Alright. I said alright, no dokie like 20 times. There's a little rubber cap on that. You're gonna pop that off. Then you see how it's got a spot to put a wrench around it? Yeah, you're gonna put this wrench around it and you're gonna turn it. And it's gonna release the pressure. And then you're gonna get somebody to pump that shit.
Look like that?
What? Just get out of here, bro. One broken thing at a time. Pocket change. Okay, well I can't do this one-handed, so I'm gonna get back to you guys. Oh wait.
cannot see. Oh, here we go. Can see.
God damn. That's a shitty fucking angle. I am grateful. Maybe get more tools than just this. Oh.
Yum. Oh, look at it. It's leaking. Is it leaking?
Okay, now zoom in on it, and I'm gonna go stomp.
Oh, no! That sprayed fucking fluid. And it's missing the pan, too.
Well, at least I tried. I want to. Hey guys. Oh my god! And you hear the fucking jack going down? This is great. What the fuck? Yo, they could have told me this on YouTube. Put a goddamn towel over it. It's everywhere. Now it's gonna smell like fucking ass. And I'm... It's a drift car. I don't really care how clean it is, but... If you're new, obviously like and subscribe because I'm cool. Because I have 2 Miatas. Look. And a traffic cone. Oh my god, I did miss. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a little physics lesson. Took all the pressure out. Boom! There's no more clutch fluid. Okay, then you're gonna wanna undo this one if you can. It's just a really tight space and a really big tool.
Do you need a smaller one?
Yes, like the one out of your trunk, but your keys are all the way inside and I'm trying to do it now.
Oh my god, I will just go get my keys.
Okay. So guys, since it's just me again, just want to let you know, hit the subscribe button and like the button, hit the like button. I'm desperate for likes. Okay, so the bolts, zoom in on them. You see right there, and then lift up. And there's one right there, I already took it out. Well, that one, you're gonna need a socket wrench with an extension, but not this one. This one's too small. You need an extension, okay? And then you get that shit real good. Look at that, effortless. Boom. All right. So to be honest, I don't really know. I'm just gonna be completely honest. I'm gonna have to sit right there. Great. Good job, Noah. Okay. That stuff stinks. That feels exactly like this one. I don't know if there's a seal or something that is just like better, but it feels literally the exact same. Like straight up. So I don't think this is the problem, but it's still a video. Take that plug off. So this plate right here where my finger is at, can't really
see it.
Okay, what? This one. This is not connected to it at all. This nipple thing just goes inside of it, so it has something to push on. You know what I'm saying? Hydraulics, baby. Where'd the bolt go that was on this? There was a bolt on this. Oh, it's right in front of my face. Bada bang, bada boom. Loosen this. Because it's so much easier to loosen it outside of the car. Boom. And then just make sure you put the line in the hole. Or, I guess it don't really matter yet. Just get some thread on there, put that bitch back on there. Again, if you have this stupidly long extension, it makes it so easy. Oh.
You didn't put the...
I didn't put the thing in the thing.
The thing in the thing.
Maybe I could do it from right here. Oh, alright. Guys, just be smart. Yeah. Also, got shit in my eye. Wear safety glasses too. If you guys are doing this at home and you like don't think you can do it, trust me, you can do it. If I did it, you can do it. It's not hard. It's just takes time. You have to have patience. God, how do guys do this in the freaking videos? Like it's like boop boop, done. Can you put that in the hole? Again, there's probably an easier way to do this, but so just watched a video because I wasn't completely sure how to bleed that system, and watching it, the video was replacing the clutch master cylinder. I'm replacing the slave cylinder. There's a difference. They're two different things. And he said that, it's your master cylinder you need to replace because there's no pressure in your clutch, but there's no leakage anywhere. And that's exactly what I'm experiencing. I was all confused and thinking to myself, how is this gonna work? I mean, the slave cylinder looked fine, it felt fine after I took it out. There was no leaks. So that's what had me confused. Now I know it's the master cylinder, but still, I showed you guys how to install. Now, I'm going to be doing the master cylinder. What you're gonna need for that is a bottle. You're going to need some kind of tube or line. Now this is a little less complicated than benching your clutch master cylinder. It's good to get fluid in there though before you get it in the car, so plug that hole right there. Get a nice grip on it, Big hands. Okay, then you're gonna want to pour some in there. Just to like right there. That's good. For this thing, whatever. And that end, and just and you're gonna push out. As you're pushing out, you're gonna just lightly let off that and then cover it back up. You'll feel a suction on your finger, and that's exactly what you're gonna want to feel. You just want to get it really in there. Boom, until liquid comes out. And just cap it, and it's benched. All right, so first of all, you're gonna want to take off this, disconnect this hard line. Just be careful with this piece. You don't want to break it because you're probably gonna want to end your life afterwards. I'm not gonna tell you the repercussions of this, just know, just don't break it. Just don't do it. Just take your time, be slow. That off. And then, is that 10 or 12? Just take both those bolts off, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so if you just did what I did and did the cylinder and then the slave cylinder and then the master, you're gonna want to tighten that back down, just like hand tight, just so it doesn't leak. Get your .3.
That funnel.
I'm a professional. Fill it to the top. Alright, and listen carefully. You're going to want a second person. If you don't, use a baseball bat to hold the clutch in. Step 1. Okay, so what I got to bleed was this tube. They didn't have clear, I got black, even though I was preferring that. 7/30 seconds. And I might be wrong, but I think that's a fourth. About 3 feet. Might be overkill, I don't know, but I'm lazy. I don't want to sit that close to it. Even though I have to, because I have to open and close it. Get your bottle. Get your bottle. And put the tube inside. Connect this. What am I doing sitting right here? It's literally there. Put that over that. If it fits. It will. It's gotta be tight. Boom. Okay. Absolute swagger. Okay, just a little clarification. When I said that you gotta open it, she gotta pump, or you open it, they pump it, you shut it, they let go. I got it a little bit wrong. They have to push it in. You open it, let the bubbles come out, shut it, and then they let go. And then you do that. And after a while of doing it, you'll start getting the old clutch fluid out. I mean, if you didn't drain it already. Just get the excess that was left in the top or something. And then you'll see that coming out. And then you'll see the bubble start to slow down. And then after that, it should be good. But make sure that in the reservoir above, you don't let it go under like the least amount level. Because once it hits that, that's when it lets air back in to the system, and you got to start the whole process over again, which is not fun. I did it on my motorcycle like 4 times. Back to the video. This is gonna be the end of this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, even if you didn't, like, subscribe, and if you don't want to like, leave a comment. I love comments. Leave a comment. That'd be sick. Go check out more videos if you like Miatas. If you like, got some old videos on motorcycles and shit. Some old videos on EM1s and shit. Old videos on like G35s and shit. And my very first Miata. Shit. Go check it out. Got some funnier stuff too. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Fucking simps.